Everybody, welcome to Cujo's Candles Call. My name is Marie. Thank you guys so much for being here, and shout out to my new subscribers, guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make and print my labels from home. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe so that we can reach more people who would love to learn about candle making. So what we're going to do, we're gonna go on Canva. And then Canva has so many stuff like templates for like Instagram posts, Facebook, and you have like the cards there, YouTube channel art. It has like so many stuff. I subscribed to Canva for a year. I actually print my candle care from Canva. After I design it, I go ahead and tell them to print it, and then they send it to my house. So it doesn't even take that long, guys. I'm sorry if my voice is like this. I'm not feeling quite well. So we're going to go to logo. Okay, we're gonna do logo, and you can choose any logos here. So what we are going to do is pick one. Let's say this, and then you come here, and then right here it tells you that something that you have recently used. So those are what I have recently used before making this video. And here it shows you like for you can look at it, and then you can change this logo if you want to. Yeah, and then it has like hospital logo. I don't know why, but yeah, doctor logo. But anyways, we'll come here, and then we can basically change this, right? So um delete that, and then you go to element has like so many cool stuff there. So basically I want my logo. I don't like the template, so let's go ahead and change it to something like this. Okay, so we can basically like change this, so you can write like, let's say for example, Cujo's candles. Oh, okay, so after you write that, then put period there, and then you can move. Say we want this like a bit smaller, you can come here, change it, or you can enter the number 30.3. You can enter the number, and they will decrease. And then you can change the colors, like change it to that, because those are my theme colors. And then we can say Cujo's candle skull, natural, um, handmade candle. So after that, you can make them remove this, and then you can come to element, or you can come to upload, and you can choose like anything there, like my picture, and I can take that kind, like put it here if that's what you want. Or the other thing that you can do is go to element, and you can click on, I mean, whatever you want. Like you have like flowers, you've got, and then once you click on flowers, it brings you to like flower background, nature, and stuff like that. So, and then you can exit it out by going to like nature, whatever. If that's what you want here, it could be like that, so you can figure that out, whatever you want in the middle. So let's say we're using my picture, right? So that's my logo. You're done designing, whatever, you come here, and then you download it on your computer. I forgot to show you something, so you click, then it appears here. What I forgot to show you is that once you click download here, you can click on whatever. This is what this suggested. This is PNG, and you can choose any quality you want, and it will download. So we already downloaded, so let's go to Avery. Every is the place where I buy my labels. So I look for like eco-friendly labels. We come to search, and I know the number of my label, so I'm gonna put that there, 6540, and I look for it, search it, and then they tell you this is the label. It's the labels with the metallic gold borders, right? So if you want the template to design on every, because you're going to print it at home, so you click on that, or if you want to buy the label, you go ahead and buy the label if that's what you want. And then for the sake of this video, we are going to take the blank. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that if you don't want to design your logo, or if you don't have a picture of your logo, you can skip that Canva part and just come to every.com. You have like different designs here. You can just like, I don't know, leave that as your logo or whatever. I don't know. But if you want to choose something from here, then go ahead. But I already have my logo. So I'm gonna click on this. And then this is how it looks. It has the gold thing around it, right? So you come to image, and then you browse from your file, and let's click on recent, and that's our logo. So that's our logo right here. It's kind of like big around it. So we are going to crop image, crop. Okay, so that's our logo, and we can make it bigger. So let's see this right here. And yeah, so if you care, you want to make it a bit bigger, I think this is fine. And then it depending on the kind of scent that, fragrance that you used in your candle. So you can click on T here for the text, and then add a box, and you can type, let's say we've got lavender. So we've got lavender here, and we are going to double click on it. You can change the font here. You can change the the font, and then you can actually change the size as well. So let's go to 30. Okay, so we take this, add up here. Actually 30 is too much. Let's go to 28. So you have 28 now. Put the size of, the ounce of your wax, or the ounce of your candle. So let's say this is 6 ounce. Okay. And let's see if I can change the font of this here. 15. Let's do like 12. Yeah. Okay, so then we can add, so this is what I do. I say luxury cocoa apricot creme wax. So I put that here. I make it a bit smaller. The font need to go smaller. Let's do 11. So let's see how that's gonna fit here. Either we have to like, yeah, like, okay, let's just remove like luxury, right? So after we remove the luxury cocoa apricot wax, if you have made it this far, guys, make sure you thumbs up this video and also subscribe and leave a comment below for me. Don't hesitate, even though it's a question, just leave it down below and I'll do my best to answer them. So here you see me adding where I made my handmade candle. So I will write handmade in PA on my label and drag it down and make it smaller. So you have here one whole page and there's like probably 30 of them on there, right? So you can add like one sheet if you want it to be one sheet, um, or you can add, a second sheet. Let's say I have 3 cents, right? And I printed for lavender. Now I'm gonna change, but they're all the same size, right? I'm gonna come and change it to like sage, right? And then I'll come back, I change it to like, love, you know. So you can change it however you want, but you have to change the name every time you want to print another label for another scent. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So after you're done with that, you can come here and say review and print. Your text may be too small to print. For white and light color text, increase the text size. Yeah, okay, it's talking about the handmade in PA because I made it 8 instead of 11, but that's okay. You can change it if you want to. So we're gonna continue, and then you have it right here. Okay, so you can see here, this is how your label will come. And once you print it, this is how it's gonna come out. So all you do now is take the peel the label off, and then put on your all you have to do is peel the label off and then put on your vessel. So after that, you can come here, get PDF to print. You click on that, and then they say we strongly recommend that you save your design before continuing to prevent losing your work. So you click on save, and then you can modify this as love 6 ounce, and then you click on save to your account. Then once it's saved, it will go ahead and it says download PDF, and then ta-da, there you go. This is your 8 sheet, of the same love, because they're all, I duplicated them to 8. And then there you go, this is it. So now all you have to do is print and print, and then you have it here. I have a inkjet, so I have to upgrade my printer soon, but for now I'm using my inkjet, and it prints really good, but it's a lot of ink that you're wasting. And print it from home, so you click on print and it goes straight to your printer and it will print. So after it prints, you can peel this off, the logo off, slap it on your vessel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have made it this far, if not, that's okay. If you have made it this far, make sure you smash that like button for me, guys, and subscribe. I think I said that. And also leave a comment for me if you have any questions. So that's how I print my label. And I will catch you guys in my next video that is coming about cocoa apricot creme and their pros and cons. So I'll get into that in my next video. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.